little moment. Hi, how are you doing? Hey guys, it's Adelaide and I'm back with another episode. If you're new to this channel, welcome to back to this channel. Welcome again. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Don't forget to press the notification bell to let you guys know every time I post a new video. Guys, I'm at ShopRite right now. I'm waiting in the line. Waiting for my parents. You guys know the feeling. I'm literally so close. But yeah, guys, I'll let you know. I'll be vlogging today. I'm not even doing much, but I just thought of vlogging, you know, because I'm not posting enough, guys. So, guys, it's hectic. I went to New Look. I couldn't even find any French curl braids, so I'm just so disappointed. Vlog was not going to continue, guys. So at the moment I took a taxi to town to see our boyfriend. So yeah, guys, at the moment we're at his workplace. He's gonna do some yeah.
And it's eating.
And I also don't have baby who's put me.
I do data for real, like I swear to God.
A nigga doesn't have data.
Well, fuck you and your niggas. Still so light. Wanna play snooker?
So where are we gonna be? We are now in Stones. Guys, I'm still in town. I might be going home soon, guys. All we did here was just go to Stones. Okay, we went to the other place, but the only activity we had was in Stones, which was the pool, right? So yeah, guys, I might be going home soon. If it's, let me go home, child. Let me go home, child. Like, it's nothing for me, yeah. So we're back in Stones. Anyways, guys, we are at this huge building. I don't know what kind of building this is. I don't know what it's called, but we are here. Okay, wait, guys. Let me show you guys the outfit of the day. The outfit of the day. Okay. So, this is the outfit of the day. Jeans, plain old low-rise jeans, which are also like, they also flare pants, and I had to, you know, I don't know what to call it, because I'm short. The pants are too long. Kids one is so windy today. Like, I've been having to keep my hair up because it's too much. I have this actually came out good. Guys, hey guys, it's Adelaide and I'm back with another lit vid. Today I'm vlogging, guys, for Vlogmas part 2. So guys, today I'm getting my hair done. Guys, you see me, I'm looking very crafty, very beauty right here. She did her hair today. Look at it. Look at the curls. Like, and this is Loki what we Loki gonna be matching. Hey, we are chopping pap right now. Hey guys, so this is when I got to the salon around 12 and I waited and waited for like 3 to 4 hours to just get my hair plaited. This was me here when they asked me to sit on the chair after I've been waiting. Guys, for my braids I used magic curls and then it looked like a weave and then 2 expression in ginger color.
No, that is very small. It's nice for the.
That's not very small, it's normal.
Hey guys, we are at the beach now. We have arrived. That's it. Guys, get up and it's cold. It's cold. Snaka. We can wait, guys. So like we're at this shop right now. Trying to get some fish and chips. So we're trying to get some fish and chips. But I don't think there's a fish and chips yet. Like that. Show me where's the color to stick yo. What is the color? Sorry. Guys, my dress, bro. Fuck. My dress is stuck. Hello. Yeah, so we are here with my babes. We are just currently, you know, trying to get something to eat.
It looks so dry.
Mine. They're not. Trust. And then, yeah, we'll get back to you guys.
I'll get it.
Right. Guys, I hope you guys can hear me, but we just got something to eat. Now we're just going to chill because we're waiting for and we just want to shoot some content, honestly, because we don't have anything else to do. It's cold, we can't like swim or anything, so yeah, we're just going to chill and shoot some content as we are waiting for no, guys, out.
No, Jimmy. Now you're done. You're actually ready to be there.
Yo, can I vlog?
Me, as they left.
Hey guys, so guys, now there's no vibes here in Muizenberg because it's cold. We can't swim because we wanted to walk from Muizenberg. We wanted to walk to St. James Beach, but we can't do that now. We can't swim, we can't do shit. So we have to find another plan. Yeah, well, it's like swinging. No. I'll get that fixed because guys, my side has I am a lash tech. Is it not a lash tech? But yeah, I do lashes. I do lashes, guys. So, hey guys, so yeah, we are still in Muizenberg right now. We're gonna go home. We're gonna go to the shops and then we're gonna find our way from the road. And yes, we like come up with a vibes. Other than that, yes, baby, period.
And there's YouTube channel. Guys, people have been asking why I don't do my own channel. I'm not do it.
Why are you not doing your own?
I'm not do it soon.
Please, that's a belief matter.
I'm gonna create content soon because even on TikTok and IG, people are saying I'm not posting a lot and they wanna see more. So I'm gonna do it.
Hey, hi guys. Didn't even do shit and I just spent money.
Just kidding.
Nothing is it for nothing.
Chips is mean.
Just food at home.
Plaza Chomi. Plaza. Chomi. Bese ugcwele ezi 20 rand, ezi 20 rand
Zigcwele,
ziyakhutshisa
bra.
kwaplaza.